Hello, in this video, we are going to discuss the cast iron and its different types. Cast iron is made of pig iron, often along with substantial quantities of scrap iron and scrap steel. Cast iron can be cast easily into a desired shape. Cast iron basically have good wear resistance, have high hardness, and good machinability. There are basically four types of cast iron. The first one is grey cast iron, second is white cast iron, the third is ductile cast iron, and the fourth is malleable cast iron. The first is grey cast iron. If cast iron is cooled slowly, graphitization takes place and graphite flakes will get a chance to form. In this grey cast iron, there is a flakes of carbon are present between there a difference of gaps, and due to this graphite flakes, it is easily machinable and soft. And the composition in grey cast iron is carbon is 2.5% to 4%, manganese is 0.25 to 1%, silicon is 1% to 3%, sulfur is 0.05 to 0.25%, and phosphorus is 0.05 to 1%. Carbon is present in a free-form graphite in a matrix of ferrite and pearlite. So there are its application. Grey cast iron basically used in pump housing, engine heads, crankshaft, flywheel, machine, tool bases, and pipes. And the second type is white cast iron. If cast iron cooled rapidly, the graphite flakes do not get a chance to form. Instead, white cast iron forms with cementite. In this, carbon is present 1.8 to 3.6%, manganese is present 0.25 to 0.8%, silicon is present 0.5 to 1.9%, sulfur is present 0.06 to 0.2%, and phosphorus is present 0.6 to 0.8. Carbon is present in a combined form of Fe3 is known as cementite. The white cast iron is very hard, very brittle, and have also a good wear resistance. Its application is brake shoes. White cast iron basically used for brake shoes, mining slopes, rolls for rolling mills, rails, cars, brakes, shoes for liners, for machinery, for abrasive materials. Third is ductile cast iron. This is basically known as nodular cast iron. In this, graphite nodules are present. There are some small quantities of magnesium, calcium also added. In this, the composition of carbon is 3 to 4%, manganese is 0.15 to 0.9%, silicon is 1.8 to 2.8%, sulfur is zero point zero 0.03 maximum, and phosphorus is zero point 0.1 maximum. And ductile cast iron has high ductility, high machinability, and high wear resistance, and easily forged. The application of ductile cast iron is engine connecting rod, truck axles, front wheel spindle support, disc brake calipers, suspension system parts, power transmission yokes, and CI pipes. And the fourth type of the cast iron is malleable cast iron. Malleable cast iron, this is obtained from the white cast iron but with improved machinability. When white cast iron is reheated to about 927 degrees Celsius for a long period of time in the presence of material containing oxygen such as iron oxide, as at elevated temperature range, cementite decompose into ferrite and free carbon. So when the malleable cast iron is heated, the carbon is free from the iron, and this free carbon easily be malleable in different shapes. So the carbon is percent 1.8 to 3.6%. The material composition is as similar as the white cast iron because the white cast iron and malleable cast iron are same, but the properties is changes when we heated it 927 degrees Celsius. Manganese is present 0.25 to 0.8%, silicon is present 0.5 to 1.9%, sulfur is present 0.06 to 0.2%, phosphorus is present 0.06 to 0.18%. Malleable cast iron is good, having good shock resistance capacity, excellent machinability. Basically, it uses in universal joint, transmission gear, differential case, crankshaft, flanges, and pipe fitting. So here is the different types of cast iron. Basically, we have divided into four categories. So we have covered in this video. Thank you.